Would you like some fresh increase? Then plan to attend Bob Harrison's California Increase Summit. The California Increase Summit will be held in Palm Springs, Indian Wells, one of California's most luxurious destinations. And the location for the 2012 Increase Summit will be the magnificent Hyatt Regency Resort and Spa. This standout amongst resorts offers an exquisite experience of luxury. The 2012 Increase Summit takes place October 11th through 13th, and it's an experience like none other. You'll network and idea exchange with top achievers, while you find yourself refreshed and renewed at this fantastic vacation learning experience. For registration information, call us at 918-496-3399 or call us at 1-800-632-4653 or check us out on the web at increase.org. We look forward to seeing you there.